Starting a fitness routine can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. By following a few simple tips, you can create a successful fitness routine that works for you and helps you achieve your health and fitness goals. Before you start your fitness routine, it's important to set clear and specific goals. This could be anything from losing weight to building muscle or improving your overall health and fitness. Make sure your goals are realistic, achievable, and measurable so that you can track your progress and see how far you've come. One of the keys to building a successful fitness routine is choosing activities that you enjoy. Whether it's running, cycling, weightlifting, or yoga, find an activity that you look forward to doing and that fits into your lifestyle. Once you've chosen your activities, it's time to create a schedule that works for you. Whether you prefer to exercise in the morning, afternoon, or evening, make sure to set aside time for your workouts and treat them as non-negotiable appointments. When starting a new fitness routine, it's important to start slowly and progress gradually. This will help you avoid injury and burnout and build a sustainable habit over time. Staying accountable is essential for building a successful fitness routine. Whether it's finding a workout buddy, joining a fitness class, or hiring a personal trainer, having someone to hold you accountable and provide support can help you stay on track and reach your goals. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Taking time to celebrate your successes can help you stay motivated and inspired. Building a successful fitness routine takes time, effort, and dedication, but by following these tips, you can create a routine that works for you and helps you achieve your health and fitness goals. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the process and have fun along the way.